How to remove a repost on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, if I click on the share, I can simply click on this repost to repost it from my account. So let's say you want to remove it after a few days or a few weeks. So first of all, if I click on this repost, let's say I have changed my mind after a few minutes, so I will simply click on this share button again and click on this remove repost. So let's say it's been 2 days or few weeks and you have changed your mind to remove that particular repost. So what you have to do is to click on your profile on the bottom right, and you have to simply click on these two arrows on the top right of your profile. So recently TikTok has released this update to remove a repost from your account. Previously there was no option to remove this repost other than using a browser. So now click on that particular video, click on the share again, and there is your remove repost. So that's how basically you can remove a repost on TikTok.